This video looks at how to complete number patterns with fractions and decimals. To practice this skill today, we're going to use a number line as our main tool. So starting with a nice easy number pattern, 6, 10, 14, we're looking for the next 3. First step is draw your 6, 10 and 14 on your number line and work out how many you need to count to get from one to the other, in this case adding 4 each time. Continue to add 4 each time to finish your number pattern. Plus 4 more makes 18, 4 more makes 22, and then another 4 makes 26. Now that we've got this example of how to use our number line, we can use the number line to help us work out more difficult questions, like when we have to use decimals or fractions. Let's have a look at this problem using fractions. Our number pattern we've got so far is 1 1/3, 1, 2/3. So let's draw what we've got in our number line. We'll start on the far right with 1 1/3 because that's our biggest number. We know that our number pattern's counting backwards. I'm going to mark out 5 equal spots on the number line because we have 5 numbers that we need. 3 that we've already got, 2 more that we need. So 1 1/3 is furthest on the right, then 1, then 2/3, and then our 2 unknown ones after that. The next step is to work out the difference of the numbers that we've got. So 1 1/3 down to a 1, we're just losing a third. So taking 1/3, and again from 1 down to 2/3 we're taking off a third. So we can draw that onto a number line like this. If we lose another third, what will we get? We'll jump down to 1/3, lose another third, and we jump down to 0. So our series now is 1 1/3, 1, 2/3, 1/3, 0. Number line like this with fractions just is a nice visual way to be able to see that that number pattern's recurring. It's the same distance each time, and then all you need to be able to do is to be able to add or subtract your fractions. Let's have a look at another number pattern using fractions. 2/9, 4/9, 6/9. Let's put it onto our number. There it is. Work out what our rule is. What are we counting up by? We're adding on 2/9 each time to get from 2/9 to 4/9 to 6/9 to 8/9 to 10/9 to 12/9. When we go to record this number pattern, it might be 8/9, 10/9, 12/9 that we put in, but it's more correct if we put it as a mixed numeral, so 1 and 1/9 instead of 10/9, and 1 and 3/9 instead of 12/9. You could even reduce that 1 and 3/9 to be 1 1/3 if you wanted to. So our rule for this number pattern is that we are adding 2/9 every time. Sometimes you might get a question like, what is the 18th number in this number pattern? You could just keep on counting up by 2/9 every time, but it's better and quicker in the long run to look for a pattern. So if we look at actually a pattern between the term and the actual number, that's how we're going to work out quickly what the 18th term is. So the first term is 2/9, the second is 4/9, the third is 6/9. So what's the pattern there? We've got the first term being 2/9, second is 4/9, third is 6/9. The denominator is never changing. The numerator is counting up by 2s, isn't it? So it's double what the number of the term is. So if we want to find out the 4th term, double 4 is going to be 8/9. If we want to find the 10th term, double 10 is going to be 20/9. If we want to find the 18th term, double 18 is 36, so 36/9, which when we simplify that is 4. I hope this video helps with you on your My Numeracy challenge. Good luck. Remember to ask for help if you need it.